Hi, my name is Bart. I'm a cardboard sculptor based in Singapore. I've been doing this full-time since 2011. I was inspired by my seniors during my university years many years ago when we were building the floats for NUS Rec Day. It was in 2011 when I met a few friends who started a makerspace in Yishun Portal Tree Park, now known as Auto Park, under a non-profit organization called Ground Up Initiative. I built my first larger-than-life sculptures, the Thinking Hands, at that time, and I have never stopped since then. Right now, I'm doing the parts for the hands of the AI reading companion. The usual process usually starts with foldings. We have all these pieces with the numbers on them, and usually I'll try to pre-fold them. And then subsequently, I will punch hole, just like stitching the edge according to the numbers. Yep, this is what you've got once they are being stitched up. Usually there's 3 ways I do for my sculptures to either glue them up or stitch them up. One of the most common way for big sculpture, I actually use cable tie. Cable tie actually is your best friend. My inspirations come from daily lives and interactions with friends or even strangers. Sometimes they'll throw me ideas or even challenges to see if something is possible to build with cardboard. If the ideas still stick with me after a while, I will most likely continue to explore and build them. NLB has been a big support during my early years of career. I built my first geodesic dome measuring 3.6 meters in Central Public Library for IFLA 2013. Subsequently, I have installed cardboard sculptures in the libraries commissioned for the F1 night race, the science festivals, and the Youth Olympic Games. I graduated from NUS Business School. I didn't regret going there. I think the overall environment on campus nurtured my love for arts and have given me the courage to strike out on my own. A lot of times, you can only link the dots when you look back at your life years later. I deal with people from all walks of life, from clients to supplier, collaborator to business partner, to negotiate terms and pitch ideas. Conducting workshops and build together sessions for the public has also pushed me to be less introverted. So now we have finished assembling the individual parts. We're going to shift everything to the next location for the final assembly. The ability to give clear instructions during workshops is also essential in my line of work. This includes making sure everybody knows what to do in order to complete the piece as a team, and also to make sure the sculpture doesn't collapse after building it up. So I'll be doing the final assembling right now. So I'm going to put all the parts onto the AI reading companion. So I'll be starting doing the head. Go up all the way. One of the most memorable projects is my first geodesic dome in Central Public Library. We have to wait until the library closed at 9 p.m. before we are allowed to start the installations. We walk through the night till 2-3 a.m. in the morning. The structures are supposed to symbolize a globe for IFLA in 2013. We have to build it out of recycled cardboard and illuminate the interior of the structures with rainbow lightings. After the event, we modified the structures into a cute giant bear head with a protruding tongue. This is actually to prevent the children from climbing into the head. Yet they always managed to get through. Since these projects, I've rebuilt these geodesic domes more than 30 times and traveled all over the world with it. I've been to New York, California, Germany, Dubai, China, and many more. A word of advice to anyone starting out: just do it. Don't worry too much about failure. Just keep going. Join a community made out of like-minded friends, as this was an important support for me when I first started out in the makerspace in Yishun. The maker communities has made me who I am today.